In order to edit your upline on BSC Pro, you'll want to go to your account. You'll log in at bscpro.com. Then you can click the down arrow next to your name here, and then click Profile. Then click Professional Profile. And from here you can see who your CEO is and who your SMD is. And then you can click to Edit Uplines, the big blue button there. And the thing that's important to note here is that if this is correct, you don't want to change it. And the thing to note here is that you only want to change this original entry if it was incorrect from the beginning. So if you just mistakenly put the wrong person, then you can just edit it and put who it should be and then save. And that's it. But if you've got a map coming up, like if you've been mapped to someone, then you could click to add an upline or map, and then you would put in the new person that you're being mapped to, and enter the percentage, and then click this green button to add another person so we can map. So let's say we're being mapped from, and we'll put the percentage, and these percentages have to add up to 100, and then we would put the date that the map is effective, and then click Save. And so that'll leave us with multiple entries here. We'll see that from the beginning I was direct to Brittany Oliva, and then on March 1st, I was mapped from Brittany Oliva to Jeff Levitan, and so now I'm 2575. That's how the upline system works, so that we can calculate things in the past and keep track of stuff. So you'll want to enter it that way. Now, if you originally signed up and maybe you had to put your SMD as your direct upline, but now your direct is finally signed up, and has their own account and they want to be able to see stuff, you'll go here to this page and you would edit it because nothing really changed. You're just correcting it, making it more accurate. So you would just edit that, put in who your upline actually is now that they're on BSC Pro, leave it at 100 and save, and you're done.